Hi, I'm Peter, and we've just bought and sold our house with FASS Results, and we've been extremely pleased with our experience with Megan and her team. We found the whole experience from beginning to end extremely professional, seamless experience. I was being a professional in the commercial real estate industry. I was very impressed with Megan's knowledge, her confidence, and just how we had the ownership and the leadership and competence of Megan Fass, who's extremely well connected in the McLean and Great Falls area, but we also had the backing of her team behind her, which was a very welcome experience. Our biggest priority was really timing the sale of our house in McLean and buying the next house and making sure the timing lined up well so that we would not need a bridge loan. And Megan and her team were able to make that happen successfully, which we were extremely pleased with. I found Megan and her team particularly impressive when it came to the analytics and the organization of the whole process. So as we were evaluating offers on the sale of our home as well as buying our house, it was very analytical in nature, very rooted in data, which I appreciated, being kind of an analytical nerd that I am. But for our house that we sold, I was again impressed with the skill of the marketing campaign, and within 48 hours we had several very competitive offers, and we ended up choosing the cash offer, which was a nice bonus. Why would I recommend the FASS Results team? Again, I'd go back to, we have Megan Fass, who is extremely well connected in the industry. She was just very passionate and truly looked out for my wife and I and our interests in both the purchase and the sale of our house. Big asset, big important decisions. She understood that, and she personally was invested and involved throughout the whole process. She wasn't involved just in the beginning and just at the end. She was involved every step along the way, as well as the seamless handoffs between her teammates, who kept us on track, on schedule, and really held our hands throughout each and every step of the process. So I can't recommend FASS Results highly enough, and just had a wonderful experience.